Hi, everyone. Welcome to Be Different for Success. Today, we'll be talking about working from home. The current global battle against coronavirus has forced millions of people across the globe to self quarantine in their homes. Many companies are adjusting to the situation by switching to remote work in order to minimize health risks. Unfortunately, many people have actually lost their jobs and are forced to look for new ones online. While for some of us, remote work sounds like a dream come true, for others, the downsides outweigh the perks. Surely this condition sounds familiar to you. The alarm rings. You roll over, stare at your phone, debating whether to snooze it or get out of bed. This is your normal routine each morning, but today is different. It is different because the only place you have to go is your living room. No one is expecting your arrival. No one will be waiting for a meeting or knocking on your office door to make sure you are on time. So how do you function within this new lifestyle? How do you juggle the convenience of home with the rigors of to-do lists and project boards? How do you stay in contact with your coworkers and team? Let's explore your work from home survival kit by setting essential rules for working from the place you're used to living in. Number 1. Wear your uniform. This is the single most important detail of working from home you will experience because getting up, getting dressed, and preparing for your day like normal shifts your mind into preparing for work. The psyche of the mind is a very powerful thing. Do you change your clothes when you work out? Yes, practically for comfort and convenience, but you also do this to reset your mind. Do you change clothes at the end of the workday? Sweats, a t-shirt, shorts, something comfortable to let you know I am home? This very practice that you normally partake in applies to your mornings and workday regardless of where you are. Get up, get dressed, iron your clothes, shower, do your hair. Keep the very routine you would practice if you were heading to the office. Number 2. Select a dedicated workspace. Just because you're working from home doesn't mean you can't have a dedicated workspace or office. Create a calming and inspiring home office ambiance. A dedicated workspace can help you get into the right mindset and prevent you from distractions. Empty your room and get organized. In this area, make sure you create a comfortable and functional workspace complete with a comfortable chair, good lighting, and of course, a computer desk that conveys business and comfort. By creating a comfortable working space, you will be able to focus solely on your business. Your desk and chair combo is more important than you think. Adjustable height desks, ergonomic chairs, and adjustable lighting can help you stay engaged in your work. Also get a whiteboard. Utilizing a whiteboard for ideation, planning, and reminders allows you to lay out any thought in an easy way that can be helpful to the more visual learner. Notebooks, sticky notes, and computer notes are helpful, but both can be misplaced or ignored, whereas a whiteboard is always in the same spot and easy to reference. Number 3. Set specific work hours. If your home is your permanent office, then set specific work hours. The beauty of working from home is you can choose flexible working hours for yourself. Let's say if you feel more productive in the morning and not in the late evening, then you can set your work hours from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. You must track how you're spending every hour of your day. Self-tracking will help you to decide when you're most productive and when least, and where you're wasting your precious time. Don't forget to share your work schedule with your colleagues or boss. A useful strategy you can use from today is setting your schedule for next day before sleeping. Spend 15 minutes and create a list of tasks that you're going to do the next day. Pick an important task that you'll do first the next morning. This habit will set a tone for the next day. Number 4. Set boundaries. Set boundaries with your family, significant others, and even pets. To your family or significant other, being home all day might make the work-life line a bit blurry, so be sure to set the boundaries early. A good rule of thumb is that your office is your workspace, and during your set work hours, you're actually at work. Setting these boundaries will allow you to complete your daily work without being bothered with things that you wouldn't have to do while working at an office. Number 5. Keep your routine. If someone were to follow you to your place of work and log your day for a week, one thing would become clear. You have a routine. No matter what the routine is, keep it at home during your workday. Sure, there may be some elements that vary. You may have children to tend to. You may have pets that need walking or taking out. For the most part, your routine can remain the same. If you get a cup of coffee on your way to work or once you get to the office, do the same at home. If you check emails first thing, do the same at home. If you say hi to certain coworkers, give them a call from home. Do everything you can to keep your routine the same. It will help shift your mind into work mode and give you more focus for the day. Number 6. Limit distractions. There are really good benefits to working from home, but there are also major traps. The greatest trap is distraction. When you are at your normal place of work, you have built-in accountability that is impossible to replicate at home. Your team is at your office. Your boss is at your office. They are not following you home during this season of work. It is up to you to hold yourself accountable. It is obvious that hours are wasted at work by surfing social media and chatting among workers, but this pales in comparison to the temptation you will have working from home. Netflix, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, the list of distractions goes on, so you must set technology boundaries. Set times throughout the day allowing yourself space to pursue the social media world, then get back to work. Number 7. Take care of your nutrition. Nutrition may be the last thing on anyone's mind when discussing essentials at home, but people love snacks, and it's easy to snack when you are home all day. Do not fall into this trap. Food is fuel you need in order to thrive during the season of life. Set food boundaries in your house, especially during your workday. Meal prep like you normally would, and in that meal prep, select the snacks you would normally allow yourself at work. Set your snacks in your designated work area so that you don't find yourself grazing through those cookies or pouring that next bowl of cereal just because it is available. You want to get through this season with your health intact. Set your nutrition boundaries like you normally would and do not stray from them. Number 8. Take physical breaks. Moving your body is an essential tool you can begin while you are working from home, then take to your place of work when your schedule resumes as normal. Many companies provide opportunities for their people to partake in physical activity, but many do not. If you are normally not one to take walk breaks, then start now. Use your work sprint timer and schedule to empower 15 to 20-minute breaks throughout the day that allow you to go outside and move. The sun is great for your body and mind, and taking a short walk will do wonders for your productivity. Even if your day includes working out before or after work, still plan some breaks for physical activity throughout the day. This is a great time to implement this healthy habit. Once you return to your normal schedule, you can practice this habit at your workplace as well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.